the people far below, they greet us as we fly.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another reaction video with this guy. Well, if you're new to the channel, my name is Daniel and I'm all about honest reaction videos. So if you're into that, then you're really at the right place. And I'm sorry that I did not upload for about a week and a half. It had to do with some technical issues with my PC. I have solved them all. I have now recorded about 10 to 15 songs today. So yeah, let's hope that they go out all today and let's see what they got. There are some Christmas songs that you guys recommended to me. I asked for them in the last video that I did. And there is also some other videos for Nightwish, Bandmate and Baby Metal. So yeah, let's see what I've got and I hope you enjoy it. Please hit the subscribe button to support the channel and of course hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. And let's start with these reactions, man. Here we go. Bye now. So for this video we're going to do Aurora with Walking in the Air. So yeah, let's not waste any more time and let's go into this song. Hit start, let's see what they got. Here we go.
Floating in the midnight sky.
Nice.
And the people far below, they greet us as we fly. I'm holding very tight.
Great voice, man.
So far across the midnight blue, and I'm finding I can fly so high above with you.
I had to pause there for a second, man. Oh my god, she has a really great voice. I did not know this girl from anywhere. I just read it through the recommendations in the Christmas post that I did. I don't think it's a Christmas song per se, but yeah, the way the way it was talked about, it was it made me do this one as well. And of course, I knew the version that Nightwish did from this song. So I was intrigued to see somebody else do it because I never heard this song by anybody else than the Nightwish version. So yeah, probably it is not even a Nightwish original. I don't even know, but I really find this song so beautiful in its lyrics, and of course the complete orchestra behind it this time. It's really great. So. Yeah, I mean, she has a great voice, man. She has an angel-like voice. She's really her facial expressions are really that made it complete for me. And I mean, I'm very impressed by her singing this song. I don't know how old she is, this girl, but it seems she's not very old. I think she's in her teens or something like that. So. Yeah, man, really great recommendation, so thank you for that. I will go on now, and I will see what else you got.
The rivers and the hills, the forest and the streets.
what a control, man.
Nobody down below believes their eyes. I'm walking in the air. I'm floating in the midnight sky. And the people far below, they greet us as we fly.
Well, I'm sorry to pause it again, but the thing that most impressed me with this girl is the way she can hold her tone, the way, of course, she can hold that note and stretch it out, but also the way she's playing with her range, man. That's really cool to see. She can go very big in belting to really small and almost a breathy kind of voice tone there. So yeah, really impressed by the way she's using that instrument. Really, really cool.
I'm holding very tight, so far across the midnight blue, and I'm finding I can fly so high above with you.
Really, really great. Impressive, man. Really. Looks like she feels accomplished there. That's always great to see. Yeah. Really looked like she was happy with the performance that she did. And that's great to see, man, when singers are happy with what they do. So yeah, man. I mean, I was very impressed with this song as well. I mean, the song itself, it's such a lovely song. It's such a, I don't know. It has something angelic to it. It has something mystery to it. I mean, this is the song for me, and it's a little bit, I don't know. How do you say that? But the thing is, if there is a song that I want to play at my, well, I'm sorry to say, but at my funeral, this is definitely the one I want to let play when the time comes, so to say. But I don't know what it is with this song. I mean, it's the lyrics, it's the melody, it's the complete package of this song that really makes me love it. So yeah, now, like I said, I only heard the version that Nightwish did. So I'm not sure that if it's even like I said, if it even isn't an original by Nightwish, I don't think it's a cover of some kind. But yeah, I know, man. The song just hits me every time I hear it, and with this girl singing it, it's definitely has a second favorite for me to listen to this song again. And I will definitely listen to more of this performance for this particular video that I did. So yeah, man, let me know what you think of this performance. What do you think of Aurora? Does she have maybe some more music that I can listen or react to? If that's something you like, then I definitely will try to do that. But for now, this is the first video of today. Let's go on to do the other videos too. Hope you will watch them as well. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye now.